I love the Descendants universe. And hook it with a special tool. Pull it through, strand by strand. I stitch the whole surface. Oh no, I'm running out of hair.
Look at my mustache.
Lali, stop being silly. I'll place it here.
What's that little ponytail?
Hey!
The hair turned out long and thick. I lightly dampen it with water and braid it. Then pull it back.
We need to trim it a bit.
Cut off the extra length. I think it looks pretty close.
LaLiLu, the sketch has curls, remember? This hair is straight.
I have a straightener, but what can we curl it on?
Use a skewer.
Okay. I wrap a strand and heat it with the styler. It makes a bouncy curl.
Woo!
I repeat all over the head. Voila!
We need to set it with hairspray. Hold your breath.
Oops.
Got it. Where do we start transforming Chloe? Yep, the hair. Chloe needs blue hair. Let's dye it. Pour the dye right here. Oops, something went wrong. LaLiLu, help!
What happened?
Look.
Don't worry, we'll fix it. I trim off the old hair with a special tool.
All right, I'll think of what to use for new hair. What could I... Oh! Lali idea! LaLiLu, look!
Lali, that's perfect. I wrap thread around a straw and secure the ends. Done.
I made a few more.
Nice job, Lali. I spray them with hairspray. Remove the straw, and voila!
LaLiLu, how do you like my new hairstyle?
What a little troublemaker. Let's go. I'll apply glue and you secure it.
Okay.
We fill the whole head with curls.
This hairstyle is fire!
I put the strands away from the face and clip them.
The ends need trimming.
I've got it. Done.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
I love it too.
Let's check it off.
Hairstyle is done.
What's next for red? Oh, right, we forgot the check mark. Now, let's do makeup. She doesn't look like red. Let's redraw everything. LaLiLu, where's the paint?
Right here. Let's go.
Okay, aiming.
We paint new eyes.
Like this, nice and neat. Done. Moving on to the makeup.
Here's the eyeshadow palette.
I'll take... Oh yes, definitely red. Dabbing it on the sponge, and voila! OMG! Now let's add blush to the cheeks.
I'll show you a life hack.
What are we doing with this?
Grate a little.
LaLiLu, what do we apply it with?
A cotton swab. Here.
Wow, genius! With blush, less is more. Done!
Great job, Lali. Looks awesome. Just need to paint the lips.
Oh, let me! LaLiLu, does it suit me?
Oh, Lali. Maybe let's wipe it off.
You know nothing about makeup.
Hey, what's wrong? Are you upset?
I'm fine.
Time to check it off.
Oh, what are we waiting for?
Done.
Awesome. Let's go to Chloe. Whee! Now let's do your makeup. This lip color is so outdated. Acetone, please.
Here you go, Lali.
Dabbing it on a cotton swab and carefully wiping it off. Done. Let's pick a new lipstick.
Look what I've got. A whole palette of shades.
Wow, so many colors.
Not this, not that. Maybe this one?
Last Century, 3 out of 10.
Okay, what about this one?
5 out of 10 could be better. Your taste isn't great.
Hey, shoo.
Na 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 na.
What about this shade?
Ooh, 10 out of 10.
Apply it with a thin brush.
LaLiLu, I found a cool TikTok trend.
What is it?
Look, scales through a net.
That's amazing. I've never tried it. You grab the tool, I'll grab the paint.
Okay.
I'm ready. Where's Lali?
La la la.
What's going on?
Would this dress look good on me?
Lali, we need to work.
Okay.
Place the tool and dab the paint. Let's see.
We need rhinestones.
Carefully gluing. Wow, this looks awesome.
Huh?
Oh, what's that? I'll catch it.
Got it.
Wow, what is it?
It's a whole set. Pick a card.
I'll take this one.
It's a sewing machine. Boom! Now it's a sewing studio.
Oh, my machine, cool.
And here are outfit pieces. Time to reveal them.
Let's start with the tail. Here's the fabric.
Give it here. I'll trace the pattern and cut it out. Lali, this is for you.
Thanks.
Sewing, sewing, done.
Nice.
Great, let's try it on.
Hey, it needs a fin. Let's make it from these feathers.
Oh wow, that'll look gorgeous. I cut a piece, fold it, add glue and attach it to the tail. Add black tulle underneath. The tail needs scales.
Lolly idea. Hop.
Sequins, perfect. Thanks, bestie. I decorate the tail, here and here.
So cool, I love it.
Yay!
Tail's done. Now the skirt.
Let me handle this. I use a red ribbon. Look,
How did you do that?
secret. Fold it neatly, and voila, a skirt.
Let's add a shiny belt.
Cool chains and a stylish buckle.
Don't you think this top doesn't fit?
Just wait.
Wow, so many materials. Let's start with this. I'll secure the ribbon. Done.
Let's check the plan.
Tail, skirt, top. Yep, just the jacket left.
No problem. Done. I already cut it. Fold it. How do we secure the sides?
Sew it, of course. Done, LaLiLu.
Perfect. Let's try it on. Add lace sleeves.
And a black lapel.
Wow, like a lightning bolt. Add silver glitter. Nice. Fingerless gloves from cord.
I made earrings.
Let me help.
Wow, the look is amazing. Oh, Chloe is waiting for me. All right, what do we have? Done. Done. Just the outfit left.
Let's start with the top.
No, I've got it. I have an idea.
Is that a screen?
LaLiLu, no peeking. Ta-da! Ribbon, here. Assistant, scissors.
Here.
La la la. Ta-da! You can look.
Wow, it's awesome. Let's fix this. Chloe needs a tail too.
We'll make it. Lolly love.
Give it here. Sequins are so trendy. I wrap the legs.
You hold, I'll glue. Done.
Thanks.
Something's off.
Uh-huh.
Ah, I got it. She needs a fin.
We can make it from a folder.
Wow.
What a pretty color. Ocean blue shade.
Perfect match. I trace and cut it. Made 3 pieces.
That will make it look more voluminous.
Attach on both sides.
Needs sparkle.
I'll add rhinestone trim.
Chloe needs a vest too. Prepare fabric. Trace. Cut. It'll look so pretty. Sewing. Done. Let's try it.
Beautiful vest. Put it on Chloe.
Wow, what about a skirt?
I wrap fabric. Cut the sides. Done. Easy peasy.
Chloe, you're a stunning mermaid.
Lali, what's next?
You'll see. Ready? Attention! Lolly love!
Chloe, red. Wow, I look gorgeous. Can't wait to swim.
Our looks are amazing. Thanks, Lali and LaLiLu. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.